we're happy to host the 6th edition of our AIxIA, the Franco-German AI conference here in Karlsruhe, fostering cross-border innovation, reaching research, industry and policymakers to shape Europe's AI future.
The advice I would give to companies to use or to develop AI is to make it clear. To make it clear from the beginning on all the life cycle of the AI cycle: governance, documentation, and conformity.
Germany needs events like AIxIA because it's all about peer learning and peer exchange, bridging different barriers we all have through countries, through companies, and also through personal views.
Public administrations are huge organizations. For us, it's very important to thrive innovation by connecting to startups and innovative companies. AIxIA is helping us to connect cross borders and thrive innovation even further.
At AIxIA, the right people come together at the right place to discuss important topics with a focus on success. For us as Ministry of Economic Affairs, the impact of AI is decisive for value creation and for economic growth.